So hi guys, after a long time, I'm joining in. So to tomorrow we have CPI data, and today we have nothing. So in terms of monthly price swept this high, and in terms of weekly we are trading inside the bullish bearish break order block, along with small little volume balance. In terms of daily we have the little fair value cap. We are working inside this fair value cap, and we have huge down close candle. uh, so for references purposes I am trying this level. I don't think so price is likely reaching for this level, but we'll see. Okay, we have pretty much clean equal lows, proper consolidations markets, and we have this lows after 7 a.m. So I'm marking. Also, we are rejecting from previous daily high. So tomorrow is CPI, so we can expect some kind of muddy price actions when we have a no news event today's, and tomorrow we have a big event. So we will take small risks if we able to find any kind of trade. Uh, okay, we have pretty much muddy price actions. Prices making higher highs while protecting the lows. Currently, price is working inside this level. Uh, this is a fair value gap with order block. Currently, I don't have a proper bias. Cause price can give us two things. Firstly, Either price reject from here because we crossed the previous daily high, so price can resume lower, or it can continue higher towards this fair value gap. Ideally it should start rotate slower from this fair value gap, but we will see. 830. Probably from next month I will be doing on a live on top step dashboard. Also we have this order block, so price can go lower. We still have a 5 minutes left. Just give me a minute. Okay, so 15 more seconds to go. And we don't have a proper clarity. Price close above the fair value gap on 500 basis. If price swept this low, then probably the market is likely to proceed lower. In terms of premium and discount logic, we are trading above 830 opening price, above midnight opening price. So most likely the price is likely to go lower. We will see. Uh, Above we have here we have daily fair value gap, which is open. This was the 930 opening price. Don't worry. So nice, prices started to move lower. We have this swing high, swing low, swing high. This candle is a mitigation block. After consolidations, if this fair value need to stay open, so probably this mitigation block will not work. This fair value gap distorted. If price succeed to close below this BC, then most probability is going lower. One point half minutes left. So next draw on liquidity. Now next draw on liquidity. So now we are expecting lower prices and to expecting from price to stay below this levels. Also we have two up close candle as an bearish order block. So we are just watching until proven. If price able to close above this imbalance, then this 930 opening price will work as a Judas swings and we will look for higher prices. And I personally think that price is likely to proceed higher. This is a future breaker, future bullish breaker. So currently, which is a bullish breaker acting as an order block, bearish order block. So we are just watching and keeping an eye on a 5-minute chart what the price is really doing. Nice. On the basis of current picture, the price is rejecting from this bearish order block, so it can go lower. So last 5-minute candle completely rejected from this order block. This is the first presented fair value gap after 9:30 opening price. Imbalance, fair value gap with order block. Totally ruptured this level. If price close above this swing high, this candle will become mitigation block, and if price close above these levels, this will be a breaker. Okay, so now we will see, does this candle supporting bullish price or not. We are no longer looking for short signals, we are only looking for buy now to target this 4H levels, because price is stuck in a consolidation. Price swept the liquidity from the lows and now it's good for rally higher. Also we have 9:30 opening price, the price goes for lower prices, take out the liquidity, which is a Judas Swings, price move above and again bounces from first presented fair value gap, and this is the breaker where you can ideally opt for longs. So I'm just testing with the, this is the breaker basically, so I'm trying with one lot. You can try with one lot. क्या है लगा का? I don't know, I clicked the button twice. Don't know. My entry will be probability at the breaker and I'm expecting higher prices until proven wrong. We have swing low, swing high, swing low. So this candle is a breaker. पता नहीं होता लगा कितना. So in terms of 50, 50, 80, the price is likely reaching for this imbalance. 30 minutes, we have nothing. 15, we have this swing highs. Let's go. Basically this is a 16-minute order block, and we need to mark the 50% of these levels for just knowledge purposes, because we need to know where actually we are working. So this is the 50% level, so I'm marking. Okay. Probably a late fill. For security purposes, I'm putting my stop loss just underneath the 930 opening price. Okay, so we are working inside this 16-minute order block, so better to take something off here. So I'm taking half position off one push, and we will see does we able to hold this trade towards this 4 HOB or not. Okay, I am managing this position correctly, but however the TradingView system is not working properly, so I can't help out. At this place at 16-minute OB, you need to take something off. You need to take something off and move your stop loss to break even or just below this 930 opening price. And our next draw liquidity is like 4H OB, 4H fair value gap with OB. In 2 minutes we will enter in the micro. So before macro the market already moves a lot, so during that period of time market may start consolidate or may get slightly retracements. And this line, this small great line, is the 25% of this daily fair value gap. This is the midpoint of the daily fair value gap, and this is again 75% of this daily fair value gap, and probability this is 100. So just watching. So price trigger out the 75.25% of the daily fair value gap, so it can retrace from here. So better to take something off. Already took a partials while managing the positions. So yeah, I already booked like $234 something on a paper trading account while doing this. Basically this is the revive person. Right, and this is the 50%. Also is aligning with the 4H fair value gap, so this might be a significant level. Also during this macro we can expect some kind of retracements or reversals during this period of time. In terms of 5 minutes we have nothing. Moving my stop loss to break even, so this is the fair value gap or BSC, and I don't think so this could save us. In terms of 3 minutes we are working, so yeah. this is the imbalance I'm watching, if price able to find any kind of support or not, because the first one that did not work, the second one will work probably. And if in case, for the future purpose, if in case price goes towards this fair value gap and then reject and broke this swing low, then I'm expecting lower prices to hunt this sell side liquidity, because we already trading at a premium prices. So that's my projections, and we already traded the 25% of the daily fair value gap. So if markets goes here and decline, break this short term low, then I am bullish, bearish, sorry. So price rejected from this level, so probably we are not likely to go retrace. It shows the signs of weakness, so I'm collapsing my trade with the 46 or 40 USD securing. So probably it could cut. And probably this breaker will does not work. अरे हो जा बंद भाई. पता नहीं क्या ड्रामा है इनका. So leave this. I already collapsed this trade, and this is the proper sign of reversal. So again, pricing consolidations. Wait, let me choose a different broker so I can. Basically, we are rejecting from daily OP, daily fair value gap. So which is nice. We do have this sell side liquidity. We are watching, and after a particular period of time, we are watching these levels, and these levels. All the way we have this some kind of midnight opening price. So I'm watching that level, and at here we have this 25% of the daily fair value gap, which is a key significant level we are watching. So if you find any kind of opportunity related to sell, we will take it. So basically what I'm expecting lower prices from this fair value gap. Okay, this fair value gap, and I am putting my stop loss above this high, or also we have this two. When we have two fair value gap, we need to take the stop loss this levels. So I'm watching this this fair value gap, and So for safety purposes, I'm selling one here, and I will sell at this fair value gap. The whole TradingView server is stuck. So this is my fair value gap. I'm watching, and this is my trade entry. So I took a trade it here, and I am expecting lower prices towards this sell side liquidity, because I suspect this is a Judas Swing and the price is likely reaching for lower prices. So these are my proper framework with which I am working. This is my ultimate target for today. Okay, swing highs. This candle is a future breaker candle. So if in case you miss the move or you miss the any kind of thing, you can enter here as well. This is a future breaker candle. Also, this is a future breaker candle, but current order block, so it may push the price towards this fair value gap and then drop lower. So anything could be possible here. Can I put a sell limit here? Nothing is working properly. No worries. The trade would collapse. Okay. See, in 2 minutes we have, in 1 minute, sorry, we have next PO3, next 4H PO3 aligning. Okay, we have two breakers. One is here and one is here, so you can choose either of them. I never use the breaker as my entry, so I will not. This whole black candle is a breaker. If we are wrong, if we are correct. Currently price just sweeps the highs and reflecting lower prices. So these are the ultimate draw. And this is the magnet, or basically BC, which will attract the price. So these are the proper framework. Watching. Yeah, trade aligns. I don't know why this is not working. So Last three down close candle is a breaker block. Okay, in terms of proper definitions, but I'm choosing this. Okay, so price is going to proceed lower. One more thing, I have a long-term personality. Like I can only frame a long setups, like from holding here, managing the stop loss here, and aiming for this low. And this is stuck, but I personally want to target this BC levels if this work. Okay, so for majority people's, the easiest way to pass a funded account into earn is, for example, and you are managing like 50k capital. Okay, you are managing 50k as a capital, and you are risking around 250 USD as a risk. Doesn't matter what is the position is, doesn't matter what position sizing you are prefer, but every position you lose, you will likely to risk like $250 or lesser than 250. Okay, so this is your proper fixed amount of risk, and and you need to take three loads minimum, three loads minimum, and aiming for like 40 handles, something 40 handles. So if you compare 40 handles or something, so if you compare, you will easily able to make 250 USD per trade. So per trade, so in few days you will able to make a proper balance related to this. So this is the proper context. If you are new and you are following the proper, and if you are finding that this kind of difficulty while managing the trade, so you can go for a fixed stop loss and a fixed profit. Doesn't matter trades goes here or not, you will simply place order with three lots, aim for a 640 handle something, without taking any partials, just took 40 to 40 USD as a profit and get out. So this is the simple method. And if you calculate, for example, if you are making like doing and able to capture 3 to basically 2 to 3 per week, you are making like 750, 240 into 3, 720 USD per week. So that will be amazing instead of chasing this long run. So this is just a suggestion. If you wanna try, you can try it. So instead of putting different stop loss, just put a simple. You can frame any kind of losses, and always aim for like 240 USD per trade or 250 USD per trade. Fixed stop loss, fixed profit, and you will able to find a profitable in a long run. For those which are struggling with this kind of stuff, for long chasers like me. So for example, suppose you enter here or enter here with the three lots, and from here to here we have like 40 handles. So that's it, 40 handles per trade. That's amazing. Cut the trade off and go to bed. Moving my stop loss about this fair value gap, and I don't think so price is likely reaching for this high. Also, we have clean swing lows, which is a proper area of sell side liquidity or smooth edges, and next round liquidity is this sell side liquidity. Also, we need to mark this imbalance. So according to me, the price is taking a lot of time before engaging these smooth lows. So yeah, this method is good for especially a newbie which just not able to manage properly trades. So this method is good. Also, it helps the balance to grow more frequently as compared to this method. Okay, for example, if I enter here and hold this position towards years, then I will able to make 300 USD. But for the person which does not able to hold this all the whole move, or does not have proper skills to manage or predict the price to this lens, they will always suffer. So that's it. So I think you guys should start using this method, and I'm canceling this sell limit because I don't think so price is likely reaching for that level again. If in case it does, then I am incorrect. Moving my stop loss to break even cause I don't think so price will likely reaching for this breaker again. If it does, probably your stop loss is next. Okay. Nice. We run out this sell side liquidity. We are aiming for these levels, and towards these levels I will likely to take 3 off because this is a part of partial. So I am buying it 3 here. Okay, this should be 2. And if you look today's data, and I can show so I am holding the remaining position towards here and probably we are likely to wrap it up at 10:30 or before if target are reached. There is something, make sure you are taking something off from the table. We have these consolidations, we have this fair value gap, we have this fair value gap, and I suspect this fair value gap is a breakaway gap which is not likely to fill in, but we will see. This is lagging. Okay, you can move your stop loss just above this high or sell side liquidity to protect it. Cause for me, if price goes above this old high or old low, it,
Nazia bhai.
थोड़ी सी खाऊंगा, मैं पूरी नहीं खाता।
काम करो, खानी खा लो, पार्टी ले लेना, मैं खा लूँ।
So again, for me this is a, अरे भाई कौन है? So for me this is a breakaway gap. The price is not likely to comes here, so I'm moving my stop loss just above this high. If in case I got a stop loss, so that's it for today. At 10:30 we are likely to collapse the trade, or cut the stream. Again we have this fair value gap, so we can anticipate some kind of reactions from here. This might be a probably 50 minutes 50 seconds consolidations, so that's why this will I'm jamming my stop loss at 1000 USD above this side. So if in case whatever happens, just happens. In terms of, I covered 424.40 and 234 for today's data. And we have few more handles away from this fair value gap. So now I can say it is a fantastic comeback after a few weeks. So amazing target deliver. Nice reaction from this daily 25% fair value gap, and I don't know where the market is likely reaching for. Probably these equal lows would be a next draw, but I don't care. So this could be a next potential draw if you are holding it. For me, this collapse right here, and I will be streaming till 10:30. If in case you have any kind of questions, you can ask me on live chat.
अरे खुल क्यों गए? क्या दिखा? लाइव में कौन? अच्छी बात है, चलो। अच्छी बात है, लाइव देखो।
देखिए
खा लिया कि? आगे भाई।
So 3 minutes more to go. This was the last collapse, 546 USD, and we able to capture from somehow from here. Earlier we expecting this fair value gap to be traded, but somehow we entered earlier because I was suspecting that price is not likely go for go for above fair value gap. So this was the proper reason. So overall nice trade, proper nice trade. The core reason for this trade was this daily fair value gap. We are expecting some kind of rejections or some kind of movement from here, so that's why we predicted this. And if you compare the all-time high, a previous daily high, the price swept the highs one time, second time, and third time with a smooth fair value gap. So this could be a possible entry. If you wish, you can do it here. And now we are expecting lower prices towards here. Also, if in case you have proper visions, you can trade this 5-minute fair value gap as a buy side liquidity run out, and you can aim for this sell side liquidity or this sell side liquidity for bearish continuations. If in case it goes higher, then probably this is just a messiness. So yeah, we will see that tomorrow we are going to stream or not, because tomorrow is a CPI, so we can expect some kind of lackluster price move. So if in case we are doing it 8:30 CPI, so yeah, if in case we are doing, we will likely to trade to open up the system after 9:30, okay, after 9:30. So as you can see, the price set the 5-minute previous high. You can also no one was in institution or the floor and traded, and this is the ultimate draw, and this is as well. So this external to external model. Okay, you can enter here, you can aim for here or here as a sell side liquidity. This is a proper model. Yeah. I also outlined this fair value gap earlier. So if in case we did not find any kind of support here, then price is likely reaching for this low. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching.